Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how to add pictures on TikTok videos. So to add pictures on TikTok videos, first of all, after you open your TikTok like this, now tap on this plus button. After you button, as you can see, now if you want to record the video or if you want to upload the video, as you can see here, this is option. If you want to record the video, tap on this section to record the video and choose the duration of your video, 60 minutes, 60 seconds or 10 minutes. So for me, I'll just go and upload a video. I'll tap on this upload button. So now go ahead and upload your video. So I'll just go and search my video. So for me, I'll just go with this one. After you select your video, tap on this next button. So as you can see, now I selected my video. So if you want to add the image or the pictures on your video, all you have to do now, tap on this section. As you can see, now tap on this arrow. After you tap on this arrow, as you can see, now at the top, now tap on this where it says edit. After you come to this edit section, as you can see, now here is my clip of my video. So now all you have to do now, scroll all the way to down at the bottom, scroll to down and tap on this section where it says overlay. Tap on this overlay. After you tap on this overlay, now tap on this photos. So in this section now, go ahead and choose your photos that you want to add. So for me, let's say I want to add this picture. After you select the picture, as you can see, now you can be able to select more than one picture, as you can see now. So after you select the pictures, I will go with this one, tap on this, as you can see now, next button. So as you can see now, here is your pictures. Now you can be able to use your hand to resize the picture and position it the way you want. So just position the picture in this section at the top or at the bottom, like this one. After you position your picture, as you can see now at the bottom, now you can be able to resize the picture size. As you can see now, if you want to make it to the end of the video, just it depends on your size. As you can see now, I drag it to the end of the video. So now the picture will just be playing till the end of the video. So as you can see now, here is the picture. I can be able to resize it. After you finish just modernizing your picture, all you have to do now, tap on this next button. So as you can see, here is the picture now here is my picture and here is my video. Now you can go ahead and type in description and hashtag of your video and tap on this post button to post your TikTok video with an image that you add under it. That's it guys, hope this video helps you. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.